Today we're solving the integral of cosine x divided by 1 minus cosine x. This trigonometric integral requires some clever manipulation to solve. Here's our starting point. The integral of cos of x, 1 minus cos of x, dx. At first glance, this looks tricky because the denominator and numerator are related but not directly compatible. To solve this, we'll use two fundamental trigonometric identities. First, recall that 1 minus cosine x equals 2 sine squared of x over 2. Second, cosine x can be written as 1 minus 2 sine squared of x over 2. These identities will help us simplify the expression. Now we'll make a substitution to simplify the angles. Let t equal x over 2. This means dx becomes 2 dt. This substitution will help us work with simpler angles. After substitution, our integral transforms to the integral of cos 2t, 1 minus cos 2t times 2 dt. Notice how the angles are now simpler. We're working with 2t instead of x. Using our trigonometric identities, we can simplify this significantly. The expression reduces to the integral of cosecant squared t minus 2 dt. This is much easier to integrate. Now we can perform the integration directly. The integral of cosecant squared is negative cotangent, and the integral of negative 2 is negative 2t. So we get negative cotangent t minus 2t plus c, where c is our constant of integration. Finally, we substitute back to our original variable. Replacing t with x2, we get negative cotangent of x2 minus x plus c. This is our final solution. There we have it. The integral of cos x, 1 minus cos x dx equals minus x minus cot x2 plus c. This elegant solution shows how trigonometric identities and substitution can simplify complex integrals. But let's verify our solution to be sure. Taking the derivative of our result, we get megas 1 plus 1/2 cosecant squared of x per 2. Now, if we simplify our original integrand using identities, we see it equals 1/2 cosecant squared of x per 2 minus 1. These match perfectly. Our solution checks out. This confirms that our integral evaluation is correct. The key was recognizing how to manipulate the trigonometric expressions to reveal a simpler form. Remember, when facing trigonometric integrals, look for opportunities to use identities and substitutions to simplify the expression. With practice, these techniques become second nature. Thanks for watching.